Hi friends, this is Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
In this video, I just going to show how to change the page to landscape from portrait. So I just choosing a document, sample document, and just click on the file here, then go to the page setup. So here you just need to click on the orientation. So here it has been on the portrait, so you just need to change to landscape and click OK. You can see the difference, it automatically skip to the landscape, so there will be a small difference for the document. So we just need to change another document here, so I just going to show for this. Okay, just clicking the sample document, just going to the file, page setup, then I just clicking to the landscape and click OK. Now you can see the spacing has been changed and the paper size has been changed. So this is a landscape and you can change to landscape or portrait for your use. So I think this video helped you a lot. So if you find this video really useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.